Forgotten username recovery failed on funding options fix. If you've tried recovering your username on funding options and the recovery keeps failing, don't panic. This problem is more common than you think. The good news is there's a simple explanation and an easy fix. Most people get this wrong because they assume funding options still uses usernames for logins. But here's the surprising truth: funding options transition to an email-based login system. That means your email address now acts as both your username and your identifier. So, when you try to use an old recovery form, it may not recognize your details anymore. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the funding options login page and try logging in directly using your register email instead of a username. Then click Forgot Password if you can't remember your credentials. If your email is valid, you'll receive a reset link almost instantly. Step 2. If that doesn't work, check your inbox for old funding options messages like account confirmations, funding requests, or loan updates. Those emails confirm which address is linked to your account. Step 3. If the recovery still fails, contact funding options support directly. When you message them, include your full name, company name, and the email you believe you registered with. Their support team can locate your account and re-enable access manually. Most users waste time retrying the recovery form, but that's unnecessary. The platform's newer system doesn't use usernames at all, which is why recovery attempts appear to fail. Once you log in with your verified email, your dashboard and business finance applications will reappear as normal. So don't worry, your account isn't gone or deleted. It's just a case of using the updated login system. Stick to your registered email, follow these quick steps, and you'll be back on funding options managing your business finance requests in no time.